Hello friends, we are on the path of self-discovery and development, and journaling can have a significant impact on personal development and the development of one's personality. Here are several ways in which journaling can contribute to personal growth and the refinement of one's personality. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. 1. Self-reflection. Journaling encourages introspection by providing a platform to explore your thoughts, emotions, experiences, and reactions. This self-awareness is crucial for understanding your own behaviors, motivations, and values. 2. Clarity of thought. Writing down your thoughts helps organize your ideas and brings clarity to complex situations. It enables you to better understand your goals, priorities, and aspirations. 3. Emotional regulation. Journaling allows you to express your emotions in a safe space. This can help you manage and process your feelings, leading to improved emotional intelligence and regulation. 4. Problem solving. When you jot down your challenges or dilemmas, you often gain a fresh perspective on them. Writing about potential solutions and their pros and cons can help you approach problems with a more objective mindset. 5. Tracking progress. Keeping a journal lets you track your personal development over time. You can see how you've grown, the lessons you've learned, and the goals you've achieved, which contributes to a sense of accomplishment and self-esteem. 6. Setting goals. Journaling provides a platform to set and monitor your goals. By regularly writing about your objectives and progress, you remain focused and accountable to your personal aspirations. 7. Positive self-talk. Writing affirmations, positive self-talk, and gratitude statements in your journal can boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. This positive reinforcement can reshape your self-perception over time. 8. Decision-making. Writing down the pros and cons of different decisions can help you make more informed choices. It prevents rash decisions by allowing you to weigh the potential outcomes. 9. Learning from mistakes. Journaling about mistakes or failures enables you to analyze what went wrong and why. This process of self-reflection helps you learn from your experiences and avoid repeating the same mistakes. 10. Creativity. Journaling encourages free expression and creativity. Writing without constraints can lead to innovative ideas, personal insights, and a deeper understanding of your creative potential. 11. Mindfulness. The act of journaling can be a mindful practice. It encourages you to be present in the moment, focused on your thoughts and feelings as you put them into words. 12. Personal growth. Over time, consistent journaling can lead to personal growth and development. It helps you evolve as you navigate challenges, learn from experiences, and make intentional choices. To make the most of journaling for personality development, set aside regular time for writing, choose a comfortable and private space, and write without judgment. You can explore various journaling techniques such as free writing, gratitude journaling, goal-oriented journaling, or even artistic journaling. The key is to be consistent, honest with yourself, and open to the insights that journaling can bring.